Our feature story as we look up into the sky and we see the future. Now, one thing we can certainly expect more of is drones. They are absolutely everywhere. Even kids are learning to use them in school now. It's a huge industry and it's only going to get bigger. We asked Jen Lammers to look at the numbers and the legal issues as the drone revolution takes off.
You see the two double green blinks?
Yep.
That means that I have a GPS lock.
Okay.
And it means that I'm safely able to take off.
Steve Cohen is a professor at Bergen Community College in Paramus, New Jersey. It does sound like a horde of bees.
Right, it's very noisy.
Back in October, he launched the school's first ever drone program. He also founded the New York City Drone User Group.
Our membership is just over 900 people now. We've been around for about a year.
He built this drone himself, equipped with a GPS, a GoPro camera, accelerometers, stabilizers, sensors, and other high-tech bells and whistles most of us can't even begin to understand. It's the complex, emerging world of unmanned aerial vehicles, and it's captured the attention of lawmakers, the FAA, and consumers. 5 years ago, you couldn't find drones like these in stores. This year, no pun intended, they're flying off shelves. Consumers will spend an estimated $720 million on drones and expect that number to double next year. And with sales among drone hobbyists exploding, it's raising major concerns about safety and security. This year, pilots and air traffic control reported 150 cases of drones coming too close to commercial aircraft. At least 3 of those near misses happened at New York's busy LaGuardia Airport.
Can that drone bring down an aircraft? Yes, it could. It could damage an aircraft engine. It could cause an explosion. Worst case scenarios. It could even penetrate the windscreen.
Aviation expert J.P. Tristani says the more likely scenario is the drone distracting pilots during the most dangerous parts of the flight, takeoff and landing. Currently, the FAA bans drones from flying within 5 miles of an airport, but that hasn't stopped some drone operators from coming too close. That's why Senators Chuck Schumer and Dianne Feinstein are calling on the FAA to expedite drone regulations and impose felony penalties for dangerous drone operators. Some experts like Tristani go one step further. They argue recreational drone operators should be licensed.
It doesn't mean that a license has to be as restrictive as the individual having a private pilot's license, but the drone operator has to have an oral, a written, and a practical examination that where you demonstrate that you know the area you're operating in.
I almost feel like it's like giving your 12-year-old a pocket knife or a BB gun. That it requires a healthy respect and some instruction and some supervision.
In Paramus, New Jersey, Jennifer Lammers, Fox 5 News.